Hello everyone. In this video I will show a program that was written in Python that calculates the discount for an employee. To start off, I created a function called printMenu that prints the menu and a function that selects the item on the menu for the user. And then I create a function that creates the employee, and in that function it goes through various amounts of conditional statements to verify that each input is correct. And then once that has all been passed through, it will be then stored in the employee array that will be used later on. And then I made a function that creates the item, and it goes through the same process as the function that creates the employee, where it also takes the inputs from the user, such as the item number, the item name, and the cost, and each input gets verified through conditional statements to ensure that all the inputs are correct. So then there's a function that prints the list of the items that were first created, and it will then ask the user for the discount number, and then ask the user for the item number to choose the item that the employee wants to purchase. And then once that's all inputted, it will then print the information that displays the purchase detail of the employee, as well as calculating the discount. And the last function that was used in this program was to print the summary of the employee. And in that function, it prints the employee ID, the name, the type, years worked, total purchased, and the total discounts. And it will all be printed in a very clean way, as I used the fstring method to align them in one. And it will also ask the user if they would like to go back to the menu or exit the program. And the final function, of course, is the program function that will call the program. So let us run it. First, we see the print menu page, and we will select the create employee option, which is 1. So now we create an ID, and then I'll mess this up to show that the error works on this one. As you can see, it shows the error, so I'll put an actual name. Let me mess this one up as well. It will tell me that the type has to be hourly or manager. I will put manager. I'll mess this one up as well. It will tell me that's numbers. I'll put 2 years. Let's mess this one up as well. It will also tell me that's a number, and I will put number 10. Let's make another error by putting the same ID number, and it will give me an error because the ID number must be unique. So then we just put a new number for the ID and a new name. And let's make this hourly. 2 years as well, 20. So now we have 2 employees in the employee list. So let us get out of this by typing no, and then create an item. Let's create item number, item name, and then it will ask me for the item number again. I will also put a duplicate. It will give me an error. I'll put string. It will also give me an error. I'll put the correct input. So now it's asking me for the next input now. I'll put the name and the price. So now we have a total of 2 items in the list. So we type no, and then we go to make a purchase. So like I mentioned, in the purchase section, it will print all the items that were created in the create item section. And then it will, like I said, ask the user to put the discount number. So I'll go ahead and type 10. I will choose item number 2, and it will print the summary of the purchase. So let us go back to the menu and make another purchase. I'll choose employee number 20, and then I'll choose item number 1. So it will show me the different employee that was selected and the purchase description. So let's go back to the menu and go to the summary page, which is 4. And here we can see that it shows the ID, the name, the type, years worked, total purchased, and total discounts. That was all for the employee. So now if we type 2, it will exit the program. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.